Hello everybody, it's Blog and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Webull trading for desktop, and particularly this tutorial is going to be for Windows versions, but the process is pretty similar if you have other versions as well. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website right here, webull.com/trading-platforms/desktop, and I'll also put a link to this in the video description for you, so you can just click on that. The next thing you want to do is click on where it says right here for Windows, and then it's going to go ahead and begin to download. So as you can see right here, one download in progress. And if you scroll down, you can see just kind of the chart. You can see Webull Desktop 9.0 and just see all the different features that are available with it. And it's a pretty good platform to use. It's got flexible charts, things like that, and also has like indicator editors, drawing tools, technical signals, just a bunch of different things like that you can use. Looks like it's almost done here. But yeah, as you can see, a bunch of different customized layouts, unlimited chart layouts. You can even share it to the community if you want to. It's a pretty elite program. Alright, so there we go. It is now downloaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to just click on it right here. And you can also click on this little arrow and then access it. Alrighty, and it's going to say, do you want to allow this app to make controls or to make changes to your device? You can click yes right here. And it's going to go ahead and begin to launch the installer. So right here, you just want to pretty much just click next. And right here, very important, a lot of times you'll just scroll through this, but you want to click where it says create a desktop shortcut. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to access it, because it's going to add a little widget to your desktop there. You can click on, and then we're going to click where it says install right here. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and begin installing for us. And it does take a minute or so to go ahead and install the program. So we'll just sit back and wait for that. Alright, so here we go. Once it's done installing, it's going to say, give you an option to click finish, and also to launch it, so you can just go ahead and click finish right here, and then it's going to go ahead and load up the program right here. And then when you click on it right here, it's going to say, please select your mode, so you can pick starter or experienced. We're going to go ahead and pick the starter option, and then click where it says start now. And then it's going to give you a little brief tutorial. You can click OK right here, and it's just going to give you the whole full-blown tutorial. So you can just click OK through these things right here. And then at the end, it'll say congratulations, you have completed the tutorial. And then it's going to go ahead and load up the program. So now we're right here. We have it downloaded and installed. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.